Initially, I was skeptical because I was like, okay, the inmates are getting tablets, what is that going to mean for us? But since they've gotten tablets, I've changed my mind about the tablets. They work, the behavior changes.
I get to connect with my daughter. I'm not able to talk to her on the phone because her phone's not set up, but she does have an account, so I'm able to message her and see how school's going and just stay connected with her because, like I said, I can't use the phone, so it helps a lot. And she's young, so it's important for us to still have that relationship, so it helps that way.
For the most part, a lot of them, they love their tablet. They can listen to music, they can tune the outside noise out. A lot of it is emotional support. They can reach out to their family. 90% of them are excited about the tablet. They love the tablet.
Originally, our focus was just to get those tablets deployed, and now our focus is how can we make those tablets work more for the inmates. What kind of content can we put out there?
They have a bunch of different churches that you can go, and you can from all over the country, and you can check out their services. And when you're watching the service, you feel like you're actually there. So it's good to change it up sometimes. I get a lot out of that. Just different stories on there. They're very inspirational, and a lot of them, they're stories of people who've been through the same thing as I've been through. People with their trauma, it just shows every side of it, so it's helped a lot.
With the tablet, it makes it easier for the families to connect because some people are elderly or they just don't have the means or whatever to get here to see the inmate. So I think the technology connects it to where it's easier for the inmates to have the support of the family.
I feel like it's helped me parent a lot more because, like I said, it keeps us connected. If she's having a moment, she can just text me real fast. It may just be through a message, but she's still able to reach out to me when she wants to. So we've been more connected because of the tablet.